Hello students, welcome to Pasika classes. So the question you are seeing on your screen, this question has been asked in UGC NET December 2019. So this question is basically from a subject computer network. So what is the question? Which of the following class of IP addresses has the last address as this 223.225.225.225? So student, basically this is very easy question. So as we know the range of different classes, what is the range of class A? The range of class A is that is 0 to 127. What is the range of class B? So class B is having a range from 128 to 191. Okay, so what is the range for class C? The range of class C is 192 to 223. Okay, what is the range for class C? Class D, the range of class D is 224 to 239. And similarly for the class E, we are having a range between 240 to 255. Okay, so that means the first octet, we are having the IP address of 32-bit. This is the first octet, this is the first octet, this is the second octet, this is the third octet, this is the fourth octet. Okay, 8-bit, 8-bit, 8-bit and 8-bit. So total how many bits are there? 32 bits bit IP address are there. Okay, so that means the first octet if lie in this range, so that means this belongs to class A. If it lie in this range, so this belongs to class B. Similarly the different ranges are given. Okay, so here student, if I see the first octet, so what is the number? That is 223. So this lie in between which range? This range. So that means this belongs to class C. Okay, so what is the answer of this question? That is class C. Okay, so let's see one more question. So students, let's see this question. So this question has been asked in June 2019. Okay, so let's solve this question. What is this question all about? What percentage of IPv4 IP address space do all class C address consume? Okay, so how many total IP address space are available on internet? That is 2 raised to power 32. That is a total IPs address space are there, because how many bits IP address? That is 32. Okay, it is asking how much among this 2 raised to power 32 class C consume. Okay, so how to solve this? Firstly, as we know, the IP address, we can divide it into network ID and host ID. We can divide the IP address net ID and host ID. So if I talk about the class A, so how many network bits are there? That is 8 network bits are there. How many host bits are there? 24 host bits are there. Host bits are there. So 8 plus 24, 32. If I talk about the class B, how many network space? Network ID 16-bit. Okay, here 16-bit host ID, 16 plus 16, 32. If I talk about the class C, that is 24 network IDs are there. And how many bits for host ID? That is 8-bit for host ID. Okay, now it is asking how much the IP address space do all class C address consumes. So let's see how to solve this. As we know student, we are having 4 octets. This is the first one, this is the second one, this is the third one, and this is the fourth one. 8-bit, 8-bit, 8-bit and 8-bit. Total 32 bits IP address are there. Okay, how we come to know that particular IP belongs to class A and particular IP belongs to class B and C? So there must be some rule. What are the rules? As we know, here how many bits? 8 bits for first octet. Okay, when the first bit here is 0, that is fixed, so that means that IP belongs to class A. Okay, and if the first two bits are 1 and 0, so that means that IP belongs to class B. That is the rule. Okay, if 1 1 0, this is fixed. If any IP contains the first three bits like 1 1 and 0, so that means that particular IP belongs to class C. Okay, so let's see how many address space it consumes. So student, as we know, how many network bits are there for this class C? That is 24. So that means it will consume this 3 octet. This is of 8-bit, this is of 8-bit, and this is also for 8-bit network ID. And this is what? This is host ID. How much? 8 bits. Okay, and student, we know these 3 bits are reserved. This is fixed. These 3 bits are fixed. We cannot change that. I'm talking about a class C. So how many are left? From 24, 3 are reserved. So that means how much left? That is 21 for network bit and 8 bit for host ID. Okay, so that means these 3 are reserved. 21 plus 8, how much is this? That is 29 bits we can utilize. So that means how much we can utilize? 2 raised to power 29 among 2 raised to power 32 multiplied by 100. So how much is this? If I calculate, that is 1 by 8 multiplied by, okay, so that is how much? 12.5%. So how much IP address space do all class C address consume? That is 12.5%. Okay students, let's see some variation. Let me change this question. If I change this question to, this is class B. Now can you solve this question? How to solve this question? What percentage of IPv4 IP address space do all class B address consume? Now let's talk about the class B address. Okay, so let me rub this. So here student, we are having 4 octets. First one, second one, third one, and fourth one. Okay, first block, second block, third block, and fourth block. So how many bits are there in first block? 8 bits. Here also 8 and 8. How do we come to know whether a particular IP belongs to class B? What is the rule? There must be 1 and 0. Okay, so this should be reserved in case of class B. So that means how many network bits are there? That is 16. Okay, so these two represent net ID, 16 bits, and these two represent host ID. Host ID, how many bits? That is 16 bits. Okay, and 2 is reserved. How much is left? 14 is left, and here 16 is left. So that means how much is this? That is 16 plus 14 is, that is 30. 2 raised to power 30 divided by 2 raised to power 32 multiplied by 100. So how much is this? That is 1 divided by 2 raised to power 2 multiplied by 100. So that is 1 by 4 is equal to 25%. Okay, so what is the answer in that case? That is 25%. Okay, student, can you solve this? If I write here class A, kindly solve this and tell me in the comment section what is the answer. Okay.